Hello, I am Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to make the eyes for your dolls for this specific pattern, or for any doll you want, if it's helpful for you. If you are seeing this video because you are coming or you found the link to this video in the pattern for these dolls, then you know how to make them. And if you want to know how to make them, then I am going to give you the link to my Etsy shop in the description of this video, so there you can get the pattern to make these cute teens, boy and girl. So to make the eyes of our dolls, same technique for both of them. First, you are going to measure the area where you are going to put your eyes. So you know we have this curve here for the eyes, and it's about 3 rows. So just measure it, because it depends on your on the yarn you use, on your way to crochet, etc. So you need to measure the area. For me is about 9 millimeters, and width is 3 centimeters. I have my notebook here with this grid, and I'm going to draw a rectangle with those measurements. So this will be the area for my eyes, and I'm going to mark the center line. So here I have a good grid to draw my eyes. I'm going to leave 1 square on every side of the center line, and then in this part I'm going to draw my eyes as I want them. If you are not good at drawing, or you don't know what design of eyes you want, you can always find a lot of reference online. So just search for, in this case I search for cartoon eyes boy, and here I have a lot of reference to help you to draw your eyes depending on the design of your doll and the character you are going to make. So, or create your own, as I am doing here. So I want something like this. And the grid helps me to draw the same shape of my right and left eye. Take a small piece of interface, a thin one, so it will be transparent enough to transfer the shape for your eyes. So don't transfer, if you use this interface, don't transfer them with pencil, because the pencil can break the interface, it's so weak. Use a pen. I like to use the, you know, the straight threads of the interface in vertical, and just transfer the shape of your eyes. So once you have them in your interface, I'm going to put white paper and then a plastic sheet. There you have 2 options. One option is to embroider the eyes. So put your interface in an embroidery hoop like this and just embroider them with satin stitch. Or if you don't want to embroider, another good option is to glue, like color the eyes with your thread. So I use embroidery thread for my eyes. I have the satin one for the iris and the pupil and the white part, and I have mate for the eyelashes. And you are going to need glue. I have 2 types of fabric glue. One is the white one, and the other is a transparent one. So this is stronger. You use whatever you feel comfortable with. And I'm going to put a small amount of glue here, and I'm going to take, for this size of eyes, small eyes, 2 threads. I'm going to twist them together, and with the help of tweezers, this kind of tweezers, or any useful tool you have, I'm going to, and a toothpick, I'm going to take some glue and apply it first in the pupil. Start filling the space with the thread. You can use any tool you work more comfortable with, and start filling the pupil in a spiral. You can always add more glue if you need. The glue is transparent, and the white glue becomes transparent, so don't worry about it. Once you fill the space, press well, and there you have the pupil ready. Now the next color will be the green. So take first lighter shade of your iris color. Take again 2 threads only. Twist them well, and this time I'm going to use this glue just to show you it's the same. You can use any fabric glue you have. So start here, cut the excess, twist it again, and do the next line, and repeat the same process until you fill the iris, also covering the black lines of our pen. And for the last line of the iris, I'm going to use a darker shade of my color, of my eye color. Now the white part, I'm going to use a satin white, and obviously for the white you need to be very careful. Have your hands really and your tools really clean. You will have something like this. Repeat the same with the other eye. So once it's dry, we are going to cut them. As you can see, they are not stiff or anything because of the interface is thin. Cut it from the other side so you can see the shape. And there you have your eyes. Now you only need to glue them to your doll. For that, mark the center of the face with a pin, obviously in the curve for the eyes, and then we are going to glue the eyes on the doll. Be sure to leave the same space from the pin to the right and from the pin to the left.